Good morning. Our next experiment is RC phase shift oscillator using operational amplifier. Okay, in this end of this lab, we will going to learn how to design an RC phase shift oscillator for a particular frequency. The aim of our experiment is that we are going to design an oscillator, RC phase shift oscillator for a frequency of 650 Hz. Components required for this experiment is that LM324 ADIC 1 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 470 kilo ohm resistors and 100 nanofarad capacitor. Okay, this is our circuit. In this circuit, here we have a three RC sections. Each RC section will provide a phase shift of 60 degrees here. Okay, normally each RC section will provide a maximum phase shift of 0 to 90 degrees. In between the phase shift provided by RC section in between 0 to 90 degrees. That means its value is 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, based on the R and C values, its phase shift may varies. Suppose if R value is 0, then it will provide a phase shift of 90 degrees. Practically it is not possible. So if you adjust the R and C values, then we can able to make the phase shift as a 90 degrees. The phase shift equation is that phi is equals to tan inverse of tan inverse of omega c by R. Okay, if R value is 0, then it will become infinity, then the phase shift is 90 degrees. Okay, practically it is not possible 90 degrees phase shift. So our circuit is designed to give the phase shift of 60 degrees. Here we have a 3 RC sections. It will give the 180 degrees phase shift. It is connected to non-inverting op amp, so that inverting op amp will give the phase shift of 180 degrees. So total 360 degrees, that is 0 degrees phase shift. So this op amp will work as an amplifier here. So this is an RC phase shift oscillator circuit. This RC combination will provide the signal. This signal is amplified by our active element op amp, so the will get output as a sinusoidal signal. So let me execute in our NI multisim software. We all know about that how to open a multisim software. Here we have components. So this is our LM324 AD IC. So select op amp and type the number LM324 AD. It is a 14 pin IC having 4 op amps. Selecting A, first op amp A. Okay, now pick the required components. For components, resistors and capacitors only. We have a total of 3 plus 3, 6 resistors and 3 capacitors. Pick the resistors. First pick the resistors, then after you may make the arrangements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pick the voltage sources. Power sources VCC and VE. VE. Ground also required. Also we need a oscilloscope already picked it now. Okay, right. Going to close it. After that, make arrangement and make the connections in between. Okay, after making all the connections between the components, okay, this is our final circuit. So this is an oscillator circuit. Now we are going to simulate it, pressing the simulation button. So this is our output signal. So I'm changing the time period. So this is our output signal. So now I'm measuring the, after getting this output, you need to measure the frequency of this signal. For that, just stop it and get the wave. Now measure the time period. If you inverse it, we will get the output value. Time period for one complete cycle. So it must contain one positive peak and one negative peak. Yeah, this is a peak to peak value. Time period is 89.9, that is 90 milli, sorry, it is 1.6 milliseconds. This time period value is 1.6 milliseconds. And if you want a voltage, this signal means we just calculate the peak to peak voltage value by changing these markers. So peak to peak voltage value is 8.3 volts. Okay, this is our circuit. So like this, if you change the R and C values, then automatically the time period value of this signal will changes. Okay, this is all about the sorry. After changing this, calculating this frequency, we need to verify with the theoretical values. So theoretical frequency equation is that uh, f naught is equals to 1 by 2 pi RC into root 6. Okay, theoretical frequency equation is f naught is f is equals to 1 by 2 pi RC into square root of 6. 1 by 2 pi RC into square root of 6. Okay, here the 6 indicates the number of RC sections. Here we have a 3 RC sections. This 6, how we get this 6 means we have, actually it is a root of 2n. Here the n indicates the number of RC sections. We have 3 RC sections, that why 2 3 is 6. So the equation is that 1 by 2 pi RC into root 6. So after calculating the frequency from practical, we need to verify it with the theoretical value. Okay, this is all about our RC phase shift oscillator circuit using LM324AD op amp.